Today is Tuesday, July the 28th, and I did not do a video yesterday because just frankly, nothing's happening. Now we have something, finally some kind of a little pullback. Starbucks didn't have great earnings. This oscillator chart probably shows it a little bit better, but we've got a lot of congestion right in here, right around the zero line. Let's take a look at the data underlying it and just see how many days we've spent close to the zero line here. So there's your oscillator. Today was minus 19, plus 5, minus 16. So 3 days in a row where we just sort of hammered around the same point. The volume today looked like this, pretty much the same as yesterday. Same with advancers and decliners, so no change there. The advancers to decliners, one thing a little bit different today, the summation index, this line here, we've been drawing zeros, ones, and twos. This is the first time since I've been tracking this since the beginning of the year where we've had a day where decliners led advancers, but it was the advancing volume that led the declines. It's always been the other way around. When we've ever had a one score, it's always been the other way around. So this is a little bit different. Frankly, I don't know what that means. It's just something that I've started to look at. So let's look at the charts because, again, not much happening. The S&P 500, the volatility index moved up a tiny bit. The Dow Jones rejected by the 8 EMA. The NASDAQ rejected by the 8 EMA. And we're going to see that as well with Apple, rejected by the 8 EMA. The Caterpillar, rejected by its double top, what's become a triple top. Now they say the triple tops don't exist, but you're looking at one right here. There's only one way for Caterpillar to go, frankly, after completing this it's not a Gartley pattern, it is a Gartley pattern as a matter of fact, is for it to go down. Home Depot, sort of an engulfing candle day, engulfing the previous day's highs and lows. AT&T had a good day, it was just up 40 cents. Whirlpool down $3, again. A lot of stocks that are just oversold, overbought. And we've got some really important earnings coming up tomorrow. Apple on Thursday. So keep an eye on all of that. Let's take a look at Facebook. There's Facebook. Starbucks had earnings after the market. So let's go into here and let's just pull up Starbucks. There we go. So Starbucks. Let's put it into extended trading hours, and not that much of a drop. If we look at the 5-minute, it shot up initially and then it started to pull back. So it's really quite positive in spite of Starbucks. What I read was negative headlines. So we're 4 minutes into the video and I think that there's nothing more to say. The market is not behaving in a rational manner. There is no good economic news. The only positive is that the Fed is determined to prop up the stocks by buying corporate bonds and even dabbling into ETFs. And now apparently they're even looking at buying individual stocks, which is just outrageous and is signaling if you're too long in this market, you are going to get burned.